A fighter jet represents the highest standard of aerospace engineering and operational excellence, built to deliver superior speed, precision, and tactical superiority. It integrates advanced avionics, powerful propulsion systems, and refined aerodynamic design. Each mission reflects disciplined training, strategic coordination, and the professional competence of pilots and support teams dedicated to airspace security. Beyond its operational role, a fighter jet symbolizes technological advancement, national strength, and strategic preparedness. It stands as a testament to professionalism, innovation, and the continuous pursuit of excellence in modern aviation and defense.